Since the dawn of man, humans have been in perpetual motion, developing, growing, and progressing. They've learned how to be faster, more efficient, and perform better and better still, creating technologies that improve how we move, how we communicate, and how we live. And this is only the beginning. Just as people do, Micronic's SLX is constantly moving forward. This is a next generation of mask writers for the semiconductor industry. With a new platform that allows for future updates, extensions, and support, the SLX can serve the needs of our customers today, tomorrow, and for years to come. By providing a modern, efficient platform at a low cost of ownership, we're able to meet the ever-increasing demand in the semiconductor industry and help drive evolution once more. We ship right from our factory in Stockholm, Sweden, with local teams around the globe ready to install and support. Faster, more efficient, and forever better, we're ready for the next step. We are born to run.